How to use the SoundCloud Monetization service. Our SoundCloud Monetization service allows you to enable demonetization for tracks that you have manually uploaded to your SoundCloud profile. Let's dive into the process. If you have already applied for our SoundCloud Monetization service and have received an acceptance message from our team, then you will be able to start enabling monetization on your SoundCloud tracks. You will just need to go to the track you want to monetize. Click on the edit icon. Choose the monetization tab for the track. Enable monetization. Enter all the metadata pertaining to the track. Keep in mind that both artist name and ISRC are mandatory. If you don't have an ISRC for that track, please contact our support team. Save your changes, and that's it. If you want to check if the track is monetizing correctly, go back into edit mode and look at the territories. If Symphonic distribution is showing under the monetizable territories, then you are all set. Have any questions? Shoot us a message and ask away. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest industry tips and insights to help you maximize your music.